Hi guys, I actually have some good news for you. Starting July 1, 2022, we're going to see credit bureaus delete medical collections from credit reports that have been paid. They will still stay on there if they are unpaid, but once they're paid, starting July 1, they will no longer show on the credit report. And this is huge news because even paid medical collections are currently negatively impacting credit scores pretty drastically. So I've actually seen as low as like a $20 medical bill that just got missed, didn't get paid. They didn't even know they had the bill outstanding, and it impacted their score by 100 points. So they're making some changes, and it's much more fair. The credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian are going to delete those paid medical collections starting July 1. Currently, the way it works is if you have a delinquent medical bill, you have about a 60 to 120 day grace period with the original bill to pay it. Then it gets sent to a collection agency, and generally the credit bureaus are extending a 180-day grace period on that before it goes onto your credit report. But for unpaid or unpaid, those stay on there regardless. So it just has been the philosophy has been, this is part of the way you manage your bills, and so we're going to continue to report it. But now, if it's paid, it will come off starting July 1. So hopefully that offers some hope to some people. Another change that they're making is rather than a 180-day grace period, the credit bureaus are going to extend a 1-year grace period before it's reported. So that gives a little bit more time to handle that bill, get it into good standing, or pay it off, or take care of it before it sneaks up on you and hits your credit report. So there's some more changes coming in 2023 for some things, but I'm not going to talk about it in this video because we're not there yet. So let's let time roll, and we'll let that surprise come up later. It'll be more good news. If you have any questions on this, please feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help.